You track money, you track time. Do you track energy? Most leaders have no idea what depletes versus restores them. They manage calendars but not capacity, wondering why some days feel impossible while others flow. What interactions leave you drained? What tasks feel lighter than they should? Without this map, you're flying blind. 1 week audit after every interaction, +1 energized, 0 neutral, -1 drained. At the end of the week, patterns emerge. Some surprises are guaranteed. What happens if you keep ignoring energy patterns? Chronic depletion, reduced capacity. Or what becomes possible when you map your energy. This week, start the audit. Rate every significant interaction. See what emerges. See where your energy is leaking through our free diagnostic. Link in the bio.